and I work in a molecular physics and laser physics lab. The most important thing I can say about the applied physics program is that you have the opportunity to do what you want, which is wonderful. It gives you independence. It gives you the opportunity to find things that you wouldn't have found if you only stayed within the traditional physics subfields. Colleagues and friends who work in as disparate fields as the economies of cars and understanding the ways that cars use energy and trying to better estimate fuel economy, all the way to atomic physics and ultra-cold atomic physics. So there is a wide range of fields and projects that you can work on in the applied physics program. There's a wonderful support network, not of just the administrator and director, but also all of your colleagues and classmates who will have gone through the same rigors that you have and know what it's like to feel and want to feel independent with the research and pursue something that really interests them. Talking about the applied physics family and the wonderful program that we have at the University of Michigan in applied physics.
My current field of research is in computational and experimental neuroscience. And what attracted me to the applied physics program here was just the breadth of research at the University of Michigan, and also the fact that the program is very interdisciplinary. It's very helpful to be able to pull together things that we learn in other fields and be able to apply them. It's a great program overall. The staff here are very helpful, and they'll do anything. It just feels like a family that they want to make sure that you enjoy your time in grad school. And these are people who have successfully either gone into academia or gone into industry. I think that they're very, very in tune with the needs of graduate students. We're all very close, and we get together outside of school, and the balance between your personal life and your work life, because that's the way that you'll be happiest and you'll be most productive.
I really enjoy the applied physics program at the University of Michigan. It's so diverse in chemistry, biology, engineering, physics, anything you can think of. The program administration has always been very welcoming and warm to everyone that joins. They will do whatever they can to help you succeed as a grad student, so flexible and allowing you to really pursue what you want. In a small class size, you really get to know your peers. They really encourage you to work together and study together, so a group of people who turn into like a support network for you. And I'm so happy that I ended up coming here. Just opened up so many doors of opportunity for me to really explore whatever I'm passionate about. You really are given so many chances in academia or in the private sector and industry or in national labs.
In my opinion, what makes the applied physics program at the University of Michigan unique is a couple of things. The first is the people, whether it's the faculty, the staff, or the students. When I got accepted to the program, they said, welcome to the family. All that, it was like a family, the interconnectedness between people and the support structure that did exist. And the other aspect is, the ability to pursue, your area of interest, and but also the culture. I think the culture here is really unique, and you're side by side with these people, and that really creates this interdisciplinary environment to allowing you to develop into your full potential. Simply prepares you to be successful in any environment. Everyone's open to ideas, and oh, hey, that's exciting. And right now, if you're to walk into the world's best hospital, it would take them 2 days or more to determine one antibiotic stops your infection. And 2 days is simply too long. What we're working on now, and what you see here, this prototype device, will allow us to do a test turnaround time within 8 hours, which comes down to getting the right antibiotic as soon as possible, and that can mean a saved life. It's taking your physics knowledge and your skill set and applying it to something that can change the world.
With everything that I've found here in Michigan, I don't think there's any place that I would rather be right now. Some of the benefits of the program I found were its immense flexibility and sense of community. It felt like I was working with peers and colleagues more so than under an administration of sorts. They really helped me find the right lab to work in, have the resources that I need to make through tough times, and really provided everything I needed to become a good doctoral student. Just the sense of breadth. I've met people that I've come into this university with that are working in fields from all over, from the physical sciences to biology to engineering. I'm working with Professor Karl Kirschnick in the High Field Science Group with the Hercules laser. I'm working with experiments on trying to create a tabletop particle accelerator in the field of ion acceleration. Some of the benefits that I hope to achieve with my research is very cheap and effective ways for making proton therapy for cancer treatments. And it really has opened up my perspective to kind of a more global scale. When I came in here, I thought that maybe I'd end up in a national lab, maybe academia, but now I'm feeling that maybe I can do a postdoc in Europe or work in industry or other possibilities that I couldn't have foreseen just a few years ago.